Hey guys, this is Vinny with J-Tech. We're going to be doing a voltage drop on a low beam light circuit. So we're going to pretend like the light's not working, even though it is. So the first thing you got to do, obviously, is you have a lot of lights you got to check. You got up here, look up here, you've got your clearance lights. You got to make sure those work. Of course, you got your low beams, your high beams. You've got your middle turn signal. It also works with your hazards. You got your brake lights, your rear lights. Then you also got your pigtail right here for your trailer lights. You want to check, make sure you get power through those two. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to do the voltage drop on the low beams. So obviously you got to do voltage drop on the negative side and on the positive side. So I'm going to start out with the positive. As you can see, is I got one hooked up to the positive lead of the battery. That way we're going to do the whole entire voltage drop on the whole entire positive circuit all of that light at one time. So come over here, and if you look real close, right here is our power for our low beam, this yellow one. I put a little T-pin in there. I got my multimeter right here. So we're going to see what we have. Now, on the whole circuit, you should have less than half a volt or 0.2 volts per connection. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on volts to make sure it's on DC. I'm going to take it off millivolts because I don't like reading it like that. All right, there you go. We got 0.2 volts, 0.221 volts. So that is not significant enough to be worried about it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and check our ground side, which is going to be this white side right here. This white is a common ground for your high beams and your low beams, right there in the middle. All right, so let me go ahead and switch it over. Quick. Take that off. All right, so now we're going to check the ground side. You're just going to take your lead, put it on the ground side, come over here, and we're going to hook up the lead to the ground side here. Put our multimeter back on. Even better. The ground side only has 0.04 volts, almost nothing. So basically what would happen, so say our low beam wasn't working and we just did this check, we would have found what side was dropping all our voltage, because if we had a break in the positive side when we read, it would have been a way higher voltage, which means we're losing it there. So this is how you determine what side of the circuit you're losing your power from, either the positive or the ground side. So say we found we're losing all our voltage right here on the positive side. We just did ground even. I'm going to use a positive as an example. So you can check from, you can check from the connector to where it connects here. You can always check from here to the relay, from the relay to the switch, whichever way it goes. You have to look at your schematics. Once you figure out if it's the ground or positive side, you can start narrowing it down from there. And when you read your voltage drop, you know where your problem's at. I hope that was helpful with voltage drops. Thanks for watching, guys.